Everybody asking how we doing, say we good. Don't need no one to tell me how to live just like they would. It ain't their business, but they in it, I don't know why. Revolved around my life after I found another.
Ang gulo ng bahay. Bibigyan na natin kay Ate yung kanyang first gift for Christmas. Pakita mo nga yung picture mo. Wow, pakita mo. Wow. Ah, sige, i-open na nga, Rod. I'll help you. Charan! Kasi ito, Mama?
Ito, Mama.
You're welcome. Video ko lang kayo. Your gift.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Open ito.
Yeah, you open na.
Okay, open.
Ito na, oh.
Yes, this is golden.
Na kasi, tinan nyo pa. Nakakiduman.
Going. Up, up, up in the moon. Going.
Do you like your gift?
Yes, ni Mama ni Una.
Wow. Oh, sige na, i-open the gift na. Yeah, sige.
Barbie!
Ayaw mag-open ka na, anak.
Wow, it's a Barbie! Ay, sinilas. Sapatos. It's a Barbie!
Iwan mo.
Ako na.
Ano yan?
Dali.
Open mo na.
Oops.
Wow! Oh, may video okay ka.
Wow, bago yan kaya.
Wow! Piano! Piano!
Wow, ano yan, di? Ay, ano yan? Wow, may radyo, may singka na. Ganda? Ganda?
Mama, buksan.
Oh, Adi, oh, open mo, Adi. Adi, oh, open, dali, hila.
Ano, happy kayo?
Durable.
Are you happy with your gifts?
Hila. Oh, Adi. Dali, open. Uy! Oh, ito to, Barbie din.
Barbie.
Nagigisa sila ng Barbie. Wow.
Ay, battery, oh.
Saka lutuan.
Oh.
Ano muna sila, mag-picture.
Wow!
Yeah.
Yan yan?
Damit.
Damit, oh. Yes, oh.
Palot!
Oh,
I'll video you. Is it nice?
Yes, it's a mermaid.
Do you like it?
Yes, baby.
What are you going to say to Mama?
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. I love you.